Oh, wow. Wow, we getting physical. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, the Million, the Dime, back in the cut with Blue Lock, episode 1. Finally, you know what I mean? After all these trailers we've been catching and watching, bro, finally Blue Lock has arrived. Episode 1 called Dream. Okay, so I'm assuming we're gonna get like the main character's dream and all that good stuff. So I'm excited, bro. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm just ready to get into it, bro. Enough seeing the trailers. I know it. I kind of know what it's about, like with the whole facility, and I think Japan being like trying to revive their soccer or like their football scene and whatnot. So, yeah, I'm excited to see these characters, bro. I've seen a lot of cool designs and whatnot. So, the animation been clean and all that stuff. So we just got off Aoashi too. So getting into another soccer anime is gonna be dope to kind of see the differences between those two. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Episode 1, Dream. Let go. Bandai Namco. Oh, that's clean. Okay. The volume here. Hold on. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Yes, sir. Isagi. National High School Soccer Championships. Okay. Nationals. Loser. Scrub. Okay, pass it. Who's my hero? Ooh, okay. Nice. He gonna miss that joint. He missed that joint. Dang, Isagi. Okay, who's this? Masukaze. Ooh. Clean. Wow. Good stuff. Wow. Dang. Tragic! Look at that. Animation is nice, bro. I like the art style, too. Kira.
そうですね。今はこのチームで全国大会優勝を目指すだけです。このチームのみんながいるからってことだけっすね。
この負けがいつかお前らの人生で。
Oh, that's sad. Come on now, coach. Come on, coach. Yeah, I like this art style though, bro. He pissed. Yo, he is hot.
全国にも届かなかった県予選で敗退したチームだ
Facts. That's true. He said that's all there is to it.
俺はそのチームの無名の2年生フォワード それが現実
So he's second year. Okay.
すみませんノア様
Noah.
あなたのようなスーパースターに
Oh, best player. Oh, okay. Noel.
俺はなれそうにありません
Y'all hear that OST? Hold on.
ずっとサッカーを続けてきました
Did you know Noah or not?
夢は夢で終わってしまいそうです いつか日本代表のエースストライカーになってそしてワールドカップ優勝するっていう俺のアホみたいな夢が
That's his dream. Okay.
もし
Nah, I like this beat, bro. It's OST clean.
パスじゃなくて
If I hadn't passed, right? If he would have scored it.
シュートを打ってたら
Don't worry, bro. You don't get called up anyway by Blue Lock. Or whatever they're called.
オールフォワ
さらに向こうへ。
Hmm. Dang.
どうだった試合。
負けた負けた、お腹すいた。
残念、今日はとんかつにしたのに。
うまいぞ食え食え
They don't even care they
そういえば
lost.
ゆうちゃん宛てにお手紙来てたよ。日本フットボール連合ってとこから。
Japan Football Union. Okay.
おかしてせ
Mm.
とりあえずいいことよね。
よくわからん
What the heck? Alright. Japan Football Union. JFU. Okay.
潔くんだよね。君も呼ばれたんだ、やっぱり。こないだはどうも。
Figures.
わ
Mm.
かる？
That's Kira.
キラくん。
広いっつうか、サッカー IQ 高いっつうか、
Okay.
一緒のチームだったらめっちゃいいパスくれそうだなって。
To me. Cocky little guy.
マジか、キラ涼介に褒められた。
Okay, but he's cool with it. I guess that guy really is
てか
him.
ここで何
You
やる
really
か
that
全
guy.
然わかんここっぽいけど。
Kind of clean too. Hold on. Oh wait. Ooh, okay. Nah, character designs. The character designs in the show is fire, bro. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Got some hitters in the room. Hello, hello. Oh, that's the twins that we saw in the trailer.
うわ、めっちゃいる。
なんか見たことあるやついるな。洗脳のエース大川。
Okawa.
高校ナンバーワン高身長の石狩。
Mm.
お、青森のメッシ西岡もいるじゃん。
The messy. Wow.
もしかして
Okay.
全員フォワード。
Yep.
おめでとう。お前らは俺の独断と偏見で選ばれた
Mm.
18歳以下のストライカー300名です。そして俺はエゴ・ジンパチ。
Ego.
日本を
Ego.
ワールドカップ優勝させるために雇われた人間だ。
なんつった、ワールドカップ優勝。
Mm. This is like for me it's kind of ironic and funny as heck, but I just like random. I just watched like the Redeem Team documentary on Netflix about like the 2008 Olympic NBA team with like LeBron and D Wade and like that team that was assembled to kind of help the U.S. Get gold again in the Olympics. This kind of reminds me. It's giving me the same energy, same feel, because he's like Ego. He's like saying, "I'm chosen. I was like in charge of selecting you guys so that we can win this World Cup for Japan or whatever." So seeing that parallel between that documentary and this is it's kind of funny. So it's like the same thing, honestly. So yeah, this is dope. All right,
知ってる？
あ、いや、全然。
シンプルに言おう。
they don't even know who he is.
日本サッカーが世界一になるために必要なのはただ一つ。革命的なストライカーの誕生です。
Revolutionary
俺はこ
striker.
の300人の中から世界一のストライカーを作る実験をする。
One of
こ
them.
れがそのための施設。ブルーロック。
Mm.
ここでのサバイバルに勝ち抜き、299名を蹴散らして最後に残る1人は世界一のストライカーになれる。
Hmm.
説明は以上。よろしく。
Wow. What the heck?
すみません。僕らにはそれぞれ大切なチームがあります。
Nah, bro, you can leave
全
then.
国大会を控えている選手も。
そうだよ。
Hey, so I got nationals too.
いきなり共同生活とか意味わかんね
そっか。重傷だな。
Dang, he said y'all sick in the head.
ロックオフ。
Lock off.
帰りたいやつは帰っていいよ。
Mm.
世界一のストライカーになることよりも、こんなサッカー後進国のハイスクールで一番になる方が大事か？
Mm.
ああ？
Mm.
お前ら
Talk
み
to
たいな
him.
のが日本の未来。お前らに聞く。サッカーとは何だ？11人で力を合わせて戦う？絆を大事に、献身的に。だからこの国のサッカーはいつまで経っても弱小なんだ。教えてやる。サッカーってのはな、相手より多く点
Simple
を
as
取る
that.
スポーツだ。
Simple as
点
that.
を取ったやつが一番偉いんだ。
深いです。撤回してください。日本代表には尊敬する選手がいっぱいいる。あんた、間違ってるよ。
All right, bro, you can leave then.
そいつらってワールドカップ優勝してなくない？
Ooh.
世界一になる話してる。
Dang. Talk to him.
味方にアシストして1対0で勝つより、俺がハットトリック決めて3対4で負ける方が気持ちいい。メッシやクリ
He
スティア
said,
ーノ
wait, what did he say? He said
負
what?
けるそして1対0
Instead of assisting my teammates to win 1-0,
より俺
it
が
feels better to
ハットトリック
pull off a hat trick and lose 3-4. Yo, That's funny as heck. Dang, that's funny as heck. And this is the guy Isagi looks up to. That's the name, right? Isagi. I think this is the guy he looks up to. Noah. That's funny. That's some Carmelo. Some young Carmelo thinking right there, bro. That's funny.
テレ曰く世界一のフォワード、ミッドフィルダー、ディフェンダー、ゴールキーパー、どれを聞かれても自分だと答える。
Did he really say that? Okay, they're talking they talk.
日本サッカーに足りないのはそれなんだよ。世界一のエゴイストでなければ世界一のストライカーにはなれない。
He said y'all too humble. That's interesting.
こいつの9名の屍の上に立つ
Corpses.
たった一人の英雄を。
無理だ。だって俺は何の実績もない。
Nah, bro, forget about all that doubt, bro.
舞
Come
台は
on.
ワールドカップ決勝、優勝のかかったそんな局面で迷わず打ち抜ける。そんなイカれたエゴイストだ
Some
け
Kobe stuff. Yeah,
この先
こんなの誰も教えてくれなかった。
of course not.
己のゴールを何よりの喜びとし、その瞬間のためだけに生きよ。それがストライカーだろ。
He talking to him. Oh,
俺は
he wants
ストラ
it.
イカーだ。
He talking to his soul right there. Dang, he running to it.
潔く
Okay, Isagi. Kira not. He might not have joined us. Oh, never mind. Okay.
始めようか。
It's kind of funny though. Like y'all ain't signed no waivers. Y'all ain't talked to y'all parents about this first. Like a random organization, but okay. You know. I don't know. Are they random though? It's the Japan football, whatever, right? So I don't know if they're a random organization, but they seem pretty like, you know what I'm saying? Like they just popped out of nowhere. So I don't know. Nice facility though. It looks like so. We'll see.
世界で一番フットボールの熱い場所、それがブルーロック。
Okay, straight to it, bro. We didn't waste no time. We were already at Blue Lock. All right. That's the teams, the Room Z and stuff. This is clean, bro. What the heck? Nah, I'm sorry. I need some backstory, bro. Do they? Is this organization actually like known, or did they just pop out of nowhere and then these guys just say whatever? I'm joining. You know what I mean? Because that's a little odd, but. I doubt they'll explain that. It feels like they're just gonna, get straight to it. But I would like a little backstory on Ego and all this stuff. But okay, man, look at this guy's eyes. What y'all looking at? What's up?
よかった。
Okay,
知って
Kira.
る人が同じ部屋で。
君あのキラリョウスケすげえ本物じゃん。
ありがとう。
俺五十嵐グリムって言います。
Igarashi.
お、どうも。
俺さ寺の息子なんだけど絶対継ぎたくなくてさ、
Okay.
だからさっきあいつの話聞いて震えたね。人生変えるチャンス来たーって感じ。
He's 300. Okay.
着替えは終わったか。才能の原石、能力は俺の独断と偏見で数値化されランキングされている。
Oh, that's their
ユニフォーム
rankings.
にある数字がそれだ。
Wow.
300人中何位かが一目でわかる。
Sheesh. Oh, that's crazy. Dang.
やば。
Wow. Second to last.
そのランキングはトレーニングやゲームの結果でアップダウン。
Okay. I like that.
そして上位5名は無条件で6ヶ月後に行われる大会アンダー20ワールドカップフォワード登録選手とする。
アンダー20。
ブルーロックで敗れるやつはこの先一生日本代表に入る権利を失う。
What? You didn't tell us that before.
ここで勝ち上がるために必要なのは
What do you mean? Wait, hold on. He said unable to play for the team ever. Like they can't, even if they like, lose in Blue Lock, they can't like come back in a different way, through different means, and like get to the team. Like they're forbidden to ever join the team. That's kind of crazy. But okay, this is wild. I like the rankings though. That's cool.
ここで勝ち上がるために必要なのは英語だ。
Me.
今からそれを測るテスト。鬼ごっこの時間だ。鬼だったものがラックオフ野郎です。
Okay.
あとハンド禁止ね。
Okay.
これサッカ
Yeah,
ー
this is not soccer at all.
最低。
待
てよ。あいつの言ってること信じてんのかよ。
マジだったらどうす
What
る
do you mean? Why wouldn't he? Look like I like.
はやるぜ
You gotta hit them?
ちょ、落ちくんだし。
Funny as
ダメ
heck.
な潔くん
Wow.
お
Oh, he got him? Nope.
馬鹿げてるよこんなの俺はあいつを否定するためにここに参加したんだ
Oh, he can hear them too.
叫んだぜねえやべえ
This man's still on the floor.
こいつまだ寝てやがれもらった
Oh, wow! Wow, we getting physical.
おいホールだろバカ
Knocked his freaking chin out.
一本
おい汚いやり方は
Man, put a big palm on his shoulder.
堂々と戦う
Let Ichigo. Ooh. Wow, you're it.
シャースキャリーナムさん
Wow, okay.
イガグリ潰す
Ugh. Damn, playing dirty as heck. Kunigami? Kunigame? Wow. Nah, bro, you're not doing that to me, bro. We got a squabble. They getting physical.
やばい。
What the heck?
勝てなきゃ。俺のサッカー人生が終わりたくない。
Let's get grimy then. Let's get dirty then.
サッカーを続けたい。夢を終わりにしたくない。そうだよ。
This man got him in a. Look at him.
行けよ
堂々やれっつってんだろうが
Yeah, sit down. Too brawling.
やべタイム
What you mean time out? Time out.
伊崎くん当てろ
What you mean time out? 25 seconds left.
おい待てこんなって
What you mean, bro? You help me. You help me.
こんなとこで
Nah, bro. Go be a monk, bro. It's over. It's over, bro.
でも
頼む
こいつのサッカー人生は終わ
Bro, yours was about to end. Hit him. Goodbye.
る。いや、やらなきゃ。 叶えるってことは誰かの夢を
Dang.
終わらせるってことだ。
In this situation, yeah. Knock his teeth out. Nah, that's fine. Oh, he didn't hit him? What? What's he doing?
違うな。
It's not right.
このままじゃ今までの俺と同じだ。
Mm.
人生変えに来てんだよ。世界一になりに来てんだよ。
Mm.
自
Mm.
分より強いやつ
Ooh, okay. All right.
いいね
Yeah. Huh.
だよね潰すなら
Mm.
一番強い
Okay. Bachira. Hold on. 10 seconds left. He going after Kira. Wow. Oh, he nasty with. Oh, look at animation. Okay. Oh, that was it, bro. He not. That wasn't even the ball on this. Hold on,
ある者は言ったフットボールの世界において
bro. He played
一流
crazy.
のゴールキーパーやディフェンダーミッドフィルダーは育てることができるが
Okay.
ストライカーだけはその類ではない
All right.
一流のストライカーという生き物はその時
Mmm. His
場
eyes.
所に
一番
The strongest guy.
強いやつ。
That Kira. Oh, Kira. Oh, knocked his teeth out. Wow. You out of here, buddy. Look at the
突
eyes.
如として出現する
Got them freaking Illumi eyes, boy. Fire. Fire, bro. Was that it? Hold on. Was that it? Nah, this is different, bro. This is different. This is fire. This is fire, bro. Nah, this show is crazy. This is dope, bro. This is crazy, bro. This is actually fire. I'm not gonna lie, even after watching all the trailers, bro, I wasn't expecting it to be like this. They really getting physical too, bro. Like, it's different. This is dope. Yeah, nah, this is what I'm talking about, bro. This is like an original anime, bro. Like, this is different, bro. Like, this is really different, man. This is really different, bro. Like, I like this. Nah, Blue Lock gonna change the game on, like, when it comes to sports anime and stuff. This is the animation on point. The art. Hold on. All right, let me finish this out because I gotta see this outro too. Hold up.
ブルーロックアディショナルタイム。
Additional time. What's that?
父さん
Oh,
も
this
母
is-
さんもサッカ
Oh,
ー
okay.
がよくわからない
サンタさんからのプレゼントもワールドカップの優勝トロフィーって言ってたし、宿題やるのもよく忘れてたし、だから学校の成績そんな良くないし。
いやーほんと選ばれてるんだなよいち
All right, cause you were gonna be a bum.
最後の方って知ってない？
You just dissing me? Hilarious. Okay. Shout out to staff and all that. Okay. Nah, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. That was Blue Lock, episode 1, Dream. Fire. Fire first episode, bro. That was really good. I like that a lot. Even with that additional time at the end, I kind of got a little bit of what I wanted, like with how like the families would react and all that stuff. But he got some very, 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 very easygoing parents, and yeah, they didn't seem to care that much. So, yeah, I doubt that's how everybody else's parents were too. But after watching that first episode, bro, I really don't care anymore about like about all the extra stuff. Like now we in it, it's cool. It is what it is, bro. Like they made it so interesting to the point like you don't really care about like, oh, what do the parents think? Or like how are they gonna, you know what I mean? Like all that stuff is like, okay, whatever, that's cool. We're here. We're here now, you know what I mean? As soon as he threw that kick, bro, and like hit him in the face, I was like, oh, this is different. Nah, this is dope though, bro. Like seeing, first of all, let's get the basics right. Animation, fire, on point. The art style, different. I like it, very unique. But I really do like the shading and the sketchiness, the sketch or whatever you call it. It's like the sketch and the shading, the aspect to it. I like that. The OST they had in the beginning too, that was really good. Like, so OST, animation, art style, all fire. The character designs on point too. Like they're looking clean, bro. Like I like this a lot. This is already, I can tell this is gonna be very big, bro. Like this is probably it's gonna be up there with like the Kurikos and whatnot, but it's different though. You know what I mean? Like it's very unique too. Like, yeah, bro. Like this show is fire, bro. Honestly, bro, after watching this episode, and I might be off the high a little bit too much, but this might be my favorite anime for this season. Like even more so than Chainsaw Man and Bleach. Like I don't know, bro, because the way I'm feeling about this right now, like I really like it, man. Like this is dope. Especially after coming off of Aoashi, another soccer anime, which is completely different from this now. Aoashi is completely different from this, bro. Like two different type of soccer animes, but I can definitely see Blue Lock being more popular than Aoashi though, for sure. I think it has better animation. I think it has better art style, but Aoashi I respect and I like what it does bring to like the whole, you know, the whole anime, you know, the sports scene and whatnot. I like Aoashi for what it is, you know what I mean? But Blue Lock, I can tell is gonna be like the popular one. This is gonna be very good and very entertaining for sure. But yeah, bro, this was dope seeing Isagi, right? We saw his match against Kira and his team. They lost in the beginning. He was gonna pass it to his teammate, but his teammate obviously fumbled. Well, he did pass it. His teammate fumbled the bag, hit the freaking hit the post, and you know what I mean, he was just off, bro, and they lost the game. So you know, Isagi was like, dang, if I would have taken that shot, would we have won instead? You know, so all that, you know, during that time, he just contemplating like, dang, I should have scored myself. But also he's thinking about like, dang, like soccer football is an 11-man sport, it's 11-man game, you know. So he was kind of having that conflicting idea of like, you know, being a team player, but also wanting to be a striker and wanting to score for himself and win, you know. So yeah, that was kind of nice to see that kind of conflict or battle like within himself in the beginning. I think by the end of the episode he definitely made that transition though, maybe not fully, but at least a little bit, into just being more selfish, you know, have more of an ego and being more of a pure just striker, you know. I think he definitely, you know, he's kind of like whatever with that 11 team thing right now. Like in this situation right now, you see the eyes, bro. Like when he locks in, he's like, that's like his innate nature. It feels like he's really, even like when Ego was talking or whatever, when Ego was talking, is that his real name, Ego? I don't know, but when he was talking and giving that speech, Isagi was the first one to kind of run to him. Like he was like, nah, that you can tell like that's what he wants, you know. So even though he kind of wants to, you know, be a team player and, you know, 11 men, all that good stuff, but you can see that he's really he really got that ego of wanting to be like that guy. So you see, I think as the series goes on, we're gonna see him just more and more kind of, you know, embody that. So that's dope, bro. I like seeing this whole different aspect to a team game. You know what I mean? Like Blue Lock, bro. Like he really got these guys in this facility gonna change their mindset completely, and it's gonna be interesting to see these different personalities interact with each other. right now, bro, I'm liking all these characters that we're seeing so far. Even Kira, I think Kira brought a good aspect to the whole situation. Him being like, come on guys, like it's a team sport, like what are we doing here, you know what I mean? I feel like you had to have somebody like him in that situation, and then seeing how he's the first one to get taken out, it's kind of showing you that, oh, this ain't the place for you, bro. This ain't the place for you. And it's crazy. Oh, that's wild now, because he can't even play for Japan team anymore. He's out. Wow, I forgot about that. Kira's done, bro. Oh, that sucks. Dang, he low-key should have went back to go play for nationals. Cause even when, like, I was gonna say that too. Like when he was the last one to kind of run to the facility, to Blue Lock, I was like, nah, bro. If you're the last one, you probably shouldn't be going there. You know, Isagi was the first one, so you knew that. Okay, like he wanted that. Kira, bro, he was gonna leave. He had nationals, right? So that sucks for him, bro. He can never play for the Japan team. Wow. Okay. Nah, I like the stakes in this series though. This episode definitely let it be known that this is high stakes. You know what I mean? So yeah, fire stuff, bro. I'm looking forward to seeing the next one. And yeah, bro. Like I'm saying, bro. Like this might be my favorite anime that I'm watching right now, or that I react to. So yeah, bro. Yeah, this is gonna be fire. Blue Lock. All right, here we go. Isagi, let's get it. Nah, I gotta mention that one guy at the end. What's his name? The one who was sleeping, bro. I don't think we got his name. I think we did. I forgot his name, but the dude who was on the floor, on the ground sleeping, who was doing all this martial arts techniques. He's dope. He's fire, bro. The way he plays soccer is like he incorporates, you know what I mean, like that kind of martial arts fighting to the way he moves, like the way he just kicked Isagi in the face, the way he was had that one guy in like the head, the freaking body triangle and whatnot. You know what I mean? Like that was that was different, but I like seeing that, bro. Like this is definitely a whole different show, bro. So, but yeah, man, this fire episode, the whole end sequence right there when they were playing that game, that was, you know what I'm saying, that was like a 10 throughout. So I like seeing that, bro. Like that was really dope. But yeah, bro, excited to see how the series plays out, bro. Episode 1, fire, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's it, man. If y'all rock with that, do all that stuff in the description. Catch on the next. Stay healthy, stay powerful, stay blessed.
Oh, I don't really stress over pressure, I think big. Who am I if I don't take it further than Nip did? Had dreams of being the owner since this big. Gotta set the bar even higher and switch gears.